Guys, Annie Frank house, guys. So I told Frank I'm gonna return it. He gets panic because embarrassing daw ko. You embarrass me, you're. Papa is down below.
Where Papa? Outside?
Down below with Francis. Since there's kindergarten there. Andito na kami sa Amsterdam, guys. Si Francis nandun natutulog. Si Francine is naka-rain jacket kasi umuulan siya, uy. Guys, andito na tayo sa Amsterdam. Yeah, I wanna look there outside. Should we look before we stamp our ticket? Is this the harbor here?
I don't know. There's a barge there.
A barge, no? So, nandito na tayo sa Amsterdam Central. So here. Medyo malamig siya. Look at the bicycles there, baby. See the bicycles? So many bicycles. Barge. Ganda dito, oh. Nakakita ra gid ang taon may upuan, guys. Is that too big? Maya na kami at punta sa hotel namin. So yan. That's it, okay? We're going in the 10th floor. Nandun yung where are the two of them? They got teddy bear. They got a panda from the hotel. Did you notice?
No, I didn't.
Okay. With your Ella is say wow. And you have a light.
And then you have to push them.
Okay pa.
You want to go ahead?
Go ahead. Wow. Wow. Pink bed? There's no pink bed here. Finally. Dito na kami, guys, sa hotel. Oh, ako kumahal. There's 3 beds. Look pa, there's 3 actually pa. Francis, nangubi ng isa. Is room tour tayo. Bathroom.
Hotel tour.
Hotel room tour. Si Ella gitu eh. Yeah, toilet. So, ito yung room na aming nabinook online sa XO Hotel. So, meron siyang mirror dyan. Makikita niyo ako. Meron siyang parang ano tong nandito. Para siyang lagayan ng shoes. Yeah, you're gonna change. So, meron siyang TV dyan. So, meron siyang bed. May ano siya actually. Twin bed at may isang another bed. Ang ganda. Switch on to nating light dito, be. Ay, sorry. Mang light dire. Put the shoes there, Francine. And then, meron siyang isang another bed here. And then, pang family talaga tong room na in-order. Namin kinuha. And then, may isang separate room dyan. And that's where Ella sleep.
Nein, ich will das schlafen.
Here? You want to be here? Okay.
Nein, ich will hier.
Okay.
Nein, da. Keine Ahnung.
Okay.
Ich weiß
Tapos
nicht,
meron siyang table din. Ang view natin. Welcome to Netherlands, Frank. Mayor Frank. Tapos meron siyang pa-coffee dito. Then meron siyang shelf dito para sa closet. And then, no. Yan. Well, akala ko, yan. And then this is our view here. Meron siyang binigay na para sa mga bata. Si Francis and Francine, meron siyang papanda. Exo Hotels. And that's our view. Maulan siya, guys. Can you wait? Maulan siya, kaya yan ang ating view. With the view pa. The view. Look at the houses there. Ganyan ang houses dito sa Netherlands. Ayan. Remove this one, your jacket. Wait.
Nice. Du Puppel. Hier
Ayan.
oben mit an.
They're so excited here, Francine.
They like the room at least.
Yeah.
Ja,
So wait pa.
ich mag es sehr.
So I can continue.
Can I charge my phone? Where's the charger?
It's in a backpack.
I know. In a backpack.
Yeah, in the pocket. So punta tayo dito sa guys. Here, it's here.
Okay.
Sa toilet nila. So ayan. Meron siyang tub. Bathtub. Tapos, yan, towels. Oh, toilet. Ayan. And then, a big mirror. Ayan. Oh, pero, so meron silang mga hair and body wash. Dala na this. Pag nag-check-in kami sa hotel, guys, pag may mga ganito, ninadala namin. Ako, ayan. First time namin dito sa Amsterdam, kaya I'm very excited. So, we have 2 nights here. So, 2 nights until Sunday kami dito. Pero, ayun. So, maulan siya, pero hindi namin, sabi ko nga, hindi ko kinancel yung hindi namin na-cancel tong hotel kasi later na namin siya nalaman na maulan yung weather. And I think, kahapon, nabook na namin to siya, nabayaran na lahat. So, at since gusto namin pumunta, meron na kaming ticket, pero na lahat, hindi na namin kinancel. Later na namin nalaman. Gi-off ni Francis. Gi-off ni Francis. Gi-off ni Francis. Kamero. Gi-off ni Francis. Ang buwan. Ay! Gi-off na. Hi! Welcome to Amsterdam, Netherlands! So, guys, pahinga muna kami, tapos lalabas kami maya pag wala ng ulan. Palungan mo kung Francis, eh. Labas kami mamaya pag wala ng ulan kasi kakain kami. Hoy, Francis! Sige, gawas ko, guys. Labas tayo, guys. Ang ating first day in Amsterdam. Can you stop there? Tingnan nyo sila. Pa, where's the light here pa? There's no light pa on that one pa. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung saan siya i-switch on.
Yeah.
It's there?
On the bed.
Nasa bed?
That there.
Yeah, si Sharon. We're not paying electric bill here, so switch it on!
This is stupid.
Si Sharon. Kasi guys, sa bahay, nagsisave kami ng electric doon dito kasi since we are paying, so
Hier kann das Ding alles kaputt.
pahinga lang muna kami. It's still raining, baby? Wala, gusto ko ang hotel room na ito. I like this hotel.
Practice for home game.
Because there's something like this, oh, extra bed for the kids. So I wonder if we have 4 kids, I wonder what room. So yan. Pahinga muna kami, oy, kasi maulan siya guys. Makita nyo, ay hindi. May windmill dun, oh. Malas lang talaga kasi maulan. Maganda sana tong aming travel sa Amsterdam. You want, yeah, take it off so it will dry. No, because we're gonna go out. We're not staying yet here in the hotel. We're going to Kuan, guys. Sana Jordan Canal yung pinag-shootingan ni Catherine o ni Daniel. Pero camera yung gamit ko. I hope hindi masyadong shaky. Come on, Francene.
That's Jene.
Where's to the SIMA that render?
Yeah, that one there. Where the thingy is there.
Yeah?
Thing, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay, we go there. We go to Anne Frank house, guys. Ta-ding! Ay, shaky. Sige na lang. Ako kumanda. Ang ganda dun. Oh. Shot bicycle. Ang ganda ng Amsterdam, guys. Ay. Guys, Anne Frank house, guys. Yung sa movie, ito yun. Dito sila nakatira. Yung nagtago sila, ito yun. Wait, kasi hindi siya nag-focus. Hindi siya nag-focus.
Because of this roof, we don't see it's on there, so we don't recognize it. So we used to take it down usually, but yeah, we forget sometimes. You can also see on the back side of the
Hey, welcome on board.
aboard, everyone. I will give you a short little introduction. First of all, my name is Tommy. I'll be your skipper for today. This is Cass. He's our host. He will assist you with our drinks and our questions you might have. You can address questions during the tour to either one of us, and we'll answer your question to the best of our ability.
Man overboard.
However, if you have a question, sometimes it's possible that we are talking for 3 to 6 minutes at a time, like now. And right at the beginning of our story, you might have a question. But when we finish our stories, your question might no longer be relevant. So I always think that is a shame. So if you have a question, feel free to interrupt us at any time, even if we're talking. It's okay, we don't mind. We'll continue our stories right after your question.
Put your hand down.
Other than that, for during the tour, be aware we do not have a toilet on board. However, if you do need to go to the toilet, give me a 5-minute heads up. I can stop somewhere to let you go to the toilet. The tour is an hour not long, so we usually don't need it, but just know the option is there. Then after that, please keep your hands and your feet inside the boat at all times, because we are able to drive our boat, but not everyone in Amsterdam is able to drive their boat. And it's possible that they hit us with their boat. However, we don't expect it to happen. We do want to be aware that it's possible. We will explain your story about Amsterdam. We'll hope you have a good time. Enjoy yourselves. Have fun. Enjoy the weather.
Yeah, it's nice. It's water there.
Yeah, you can swim though.
You wanna swim?
Yeah.
Do you have a swimsuit with you?
Yeah.
It's cold. Because, yeah, it's cold. It's not nice weather today.
And that is
Yeah.
not the beach. And
Yeah.
not the sun.
Yeah.
It only touched water.
Okay.
Little crown, there is a small little ball, a golden ball. And on all of the clock and church towers in Amsterdam and the Netherlands, they have a ball like that one. Not always gold, but always a ball. And on the inside, this ball is hollow, and there's 2 things inside that ball. At first, there is the name of the person who put the rooster at the top of the tower. That guy's name was in there because they wanted to keep that name safe, because that guy was kind of a superhero. Because he had to climb all the way with wooden ladders to the top of that church tower, and then while balancing himself on those wooden ladders, he had to post that rooster at the top. So it's not something that many people wanted to do. So the guy that did do it, he was praised as a superhero. The second thing that's inside is the blueprints of the church towers themselves. And why they are in there is because back in the day, a lot of these towers, they would...
I live at the door with the circle and the 4 arrows pointing to each other, or a little diamond figure, so they would know where to go. You also have some little plates with little pictures on it. These are for the, what was it? For the professions of the people, so you can see which one lived there. So on the left you have the red house on the corner with
Around in Amsterdam, you see a lot of buildings that are painted black on the outside. If you would count all of these black buildings, you would probably be able to conclude that about 30% of all these buildings are black on the outside. And that agrees with the history why these buildings are black, because they're pretty buildings, but the history is not so pretty. Because back in the day when the plague, pest, the Black Death, whatever you would like to call it, arrived here in Europe, it also came with the sailors to Amsterdam. And these sailors, they brought the plague here to Amsterdam. And when your family caught live their lives and not hear the same stories, you only hear the story once, but they hear them every day.
30 times a day.
30 times a day. So yeah, it's a little harder for them to be able to stay happy. Expensive to live on the canals, so a lot of them they left. But the 2,500 people that bought their license, they were the smart ones, because nowadays if you own a houseboat, the general price for a houseboat is ranging from 500,000 to €1 million. 75% of that price is the license itself. 25% is just the boat. Nowadays they're connected to the mainland for gas, heating, water, electricity. They have a postal code. It's basically just a house put on the water. Then in front of us we have the Skinny Bridge, or nowadays also called the Bridge of Love. And people nowadays, they say that if you kiss your loved one on top or underneath the bridge, that your love will last forever. So for those that want to go for eternal love, feel free to do so. For those that think eternal love is a little bit long, you're also allowed to get your drink, your credit card, and those are empty a little bit quicker. So of course, this is the real Bridge of Love nickname, but we also have a fake Bridge of Love. The idea of hanging locks on bridges to be able to sell more things. So what this lock bridge is, it promotes the bridge next to your shop as the Bridge of Love app. That's your love over here on social media, and it works really well because within a couple of months the bridge is hanging with locks. This fake Bridge of Love, we call it a Tinder bridge. It's a bridge where your love lasts for 2 weeks.
Why you have to win for the wet?
So on my left hand side, you see the 6 famous dancing house. These houses are leading to the left and right. Because back in the day, it was all mud. So they had to build the houses on wooden floors. But nowadays, these wooden floors are starting to rot. So the houses will sink into the ground. You see them here on the left side? All dancing to another side. Really funny, but it's because the only straight one is the Irish club. I don't know if
So these locks, they flush out every 3 days, several thousands of liters of water. And by doing this, they create an artificial flow inside the canals of Amsterdam. They flush all the water towards that lock. And because they do this, they keep the water from smelling very badly. If you've ever been to Venice in summertime, some canals in Venice, they don't have the flow of the sea going through that, and it starts to smell really, really bad. Same thing would happen here in Amsterdam. In about 7 days, it would smell very bad here. So to prevent that, they refresh the water every 3 days, making it one of the most clean canal waters in the world. So it cost them 70 million euros, but now they own buildings that were owned by UNESCO. So changing anything on the outside is not allowed, even for hotels. So what did they do on the inside? They broke through all the walls to make it one large building. And if any of you are staying inside this hotel, I would like to get to know you a little bit better. Just write down your number and leave it somewhere. Because if you're able to afford the most expensive suite for 20,000 euros a month, I would like to get to know you.
So guys, nagbili kami ng milkshake kahit ang lamig. And then Frank bought a milkshake there in that shop. Sabi niya, ano ko? Magkano to? How much? Siya, it's far too expensive ko, no? And it's not really kuan ang...
She cannot suck it, she said.
So I told Frank I'm gonna return it, and he gets panic. Because embarrassing daw ko. Kaya wala mo magbulay sulod, mo maghangin. Na-embarrass si Frank, si Mayor. You're embarrassed, Mayor?
Drink this milkshake, Colin.
You're embarrassed, Mayor.
Yeah. I want to have a milkshake.
Du kannst das in
Milk.
KFC gehen. Milkshake.
In KFC, it's yummy, baby. The milkshake.
Ist das nur alle, die der da sind? So wenig.
10 PM na. I know. 9, almost 10. Pauwi na kami. Maganda dito sa hotel namin ni stayhan, guys, kasi sa baba, meron siyang grocery stores, meron siyang mga shops ba. So hindi ka na hahanap pa sa malayo ng makakainan. Meron malapit na KFC, meron mga Burger King ganito. So ayan. Dahil. Come. Kaday? Flowing. Pili siya.
Ernest.
You cold?
I want to do it.
Nein, nicht so. Also, ich will es jetzt an umziehen.
Ach, come on, we go out for a walk.
Nein! Ich will nicht mehr.
That's enough for today. Ang dami na napuntahan namin.
Ja, diese
3 tourists.
Now we have to want to see again. Then Ella just open the door. Come on, open the door. Nice.
Hi, we're back in our nice room. Come on, remove all.
Remove all.
Remove all.